Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage predictive text. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on the blue sweater next to Predictive Text to turn it off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!